So let's start mastering Selenium by understanding what Selenium is and what Selenium is used for. Selenium is an open source framework used to simulate user actions on our web applications. We can simulate user actions like clicking a button, filling out a form, navigating between pages, or even scrolling through our page. We can use Selenium to automate and perform all these actions on the web application. To understand things more clearly, let's have a look at one example. Suppose you have to log in into a website. To log in, what are the steps that you will take? You will first open a browser. After opening the browser, you will navigate to that website. In our case, let's name the website as xyz.com, and since I want to open login page, so I entered /login. With this action, I will be on the login page. After navigating to the login page, I will enter my credentials. Suppose the login page is asking for my email ID and password, so I will enter both of these things and I will simply hit the login button. If I entered everything correctly, then I will be able to log in successfully. Everything that you have seen so far, from opening a browser to logging in successfully in a website, you can do all these things with the help of Selenium. Now, what if I ask you to do the same things 100 times? Don't you think it is a boring work to do? And despite being boring, you can make errors while doing it because we are human beings. So at the end of the day, we can make errors. We can make mistakes. So to avoid this thing, to avoid this repetition of tasks and making this task seamless and error free, what we can do is we can use an automation tool called Selenium. And that's where Selenium comes into the picture. If I want to perform an action or I have to perform sequence of actions on a web page, I can use Selenium to perform those actions and automate my task. Selenium is considered as one of the best tool for these kinds of work. Selenium is heavily used in automation testing industry and also a favorite tool for web scraping. So I hope with this video, you get a very crisp idea of what Selenium is and what Selenium is capable of. You also know that what Selenium is used for. So let's head over to next video in which we will see what are components of Selenium.